Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. In today's video we're talking about pudgy penguins. PENGU, one of the most successful NFT collections to launch literally in this run. Okay, currently sat at $2.43 billion in market cap, and it has been doing very well throughout this year, to say the least. If we just look at this chart from an update perspective, then we're going to be going into the chart and really breaking down from a technical analysis perspective what we're looking at, how we can make some money trading this thing, and what is essentially going on with PENGU right now. So in the last year, you can see 32%, it is down. Okay, it's down 32%, which isn't too bad here, but in the last month, up 26%, looking quite explosive to the upside here, on what we call a bit of a micro pullback right now, because you can see it did actually explode from 3 cents all the way up to around just under 4 cents there, which is a substantial gain. Okay, it is a substantial gain in the price. If you look at the market cap, $2.08 billion market cap, up to around basically a $2.5 billion market cap, which is just an absolutely outstanding gain, roughly around $500 million, guys. So yeah, very interesting stuff to see. Now, only naturally, you have a bit of a pullback from that zone, okay? That pullback right now is consisting quite heavily here of downside, okay? It really is, but that does not mean that this thing is over by any means. It means that we're getting ready for another wave up, and there is potential for an opportunity to invest right now. So let's go over to the chart and let's look at PENGU. Before we do that, guys, I want to talk to you very quickly about a brand new Solana meme coin trading bot. I know you guys are trading meme coins all the time, and you're using bots like Trojan, Banana Gun, BonkBot, and all of these, for example, here. But there's a brand new one on the market that's actually raised a substantial amount of money here, and they've got an ecosystem backing them as well, okay? They're called Snorter, okay? They've got cheaper fees, faster sniper, live Solana pairs, limit orders, honeypot detection, and also the lovely copy trading as well. So you can actually track and trade successful wallets in the space already. So if you're looking at creators here, loads of different creators here with different call groups, you can actually find their wallets on chain, copy their wallets, and make money if they're making money. Okay, very easy stuff. And you can see here, this thing has raised near enough $4 million here, and they are launching very soon, guys. So if you guys do want to get involved with this pre-sale and make a shed ton of money here, that's what we're trying to do. Obviously, do your own research here. But this spot does look like it is going to take over the space, being cheaper, being better, offering more features. Only naturally users will migrate over. It happens all the time, especially in the crypto space. So Snorterbot, definitely one to watch, guys. I'll leave a link in the description. You guys go check that out yourself. Let's look at the PENGU chart as discussed here. And let's go to the, I mean, the daily's a bit too crazy. So let's go to the 4 hour. Let's have a look at the 4 hour, see what's going on there. Let's get rid of a few indicators. It's a bit more visually appealing for you guys. Now you can see gradual uptrend looking quite clean, breaking highs as usual, setting higher lows. As long as we're above this zone here, then we're in a bullish uptrend, guys. That's the current market structure. Right now, we didn't see this measure move get completed to the upside, because you can see lovely falling parallel channel. This is the measure move breakout. Didn't quite get to this top zone here. Absolutely fine. What we're waiting on now is a bounce. Okay, we're testing the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement. There's a massive buy order section here as well for pudgy. We are seeing a bit of a dump here from this zone, roughly around 6%. But it is genuinely looking quite clean for a bounce here, if we can bounce off this Fibonacci. Okay, we have cleared this Fibonacci and tested the 0.618. Tends to usually mean that the reversal is near, and that's the reversal of this downtrend. Okay, so you can see massive downtrend here. That is what's plotting this Fibonacci here. And when you see us clear the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement of the downtrend, tends to usually mean confirmation of the reversal, which is a reversal to the upside. So this does look like it will continue now that we have broken this 0.5 Fibonacci retracement zone yet again. So we just need to hold this zone, have a nice pump to the upside, and then we are Gucci. We might see a bit of a dump just because Bitcoin's dumping here. I don't see this thing dumping like absolute crazy here. Maybe 2, 3, 4% to the downside here, but just in generally speaking, it's in a bullish trend, it's in a bullish market. Confirmation that is going to be heading back up is looking strong. Money flow is tinkering to be bullish or not here. You've got momentum climbing really high as well. There is many things that is basically screaming that PENGU is going to have continuation to the upside here. So let me know what you think here, and how much money can we be making simply longing this zone up to the top. Roughly around a 7.28%. Let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Super intrigued to know your opinion. Go check out Snorter token, guys. This thing is launching soon. $4 million raise. Something that we can't ignore. Mentioned in some very, very reputable brands as well. It's looking like this thing is going to absolutely take over the meme coin trading bot market, which is obviously huge. Billions of dollars there. Okay. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. That's going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.